Hey, welcome back. And now let's start talking about Twitter. And by the way, Twitter is one of my secret tools when it comes to finding clients for my freelancing business. So let's jump into this lecture. And obviously, our biggest question or first question is why should we use Twitter? And the biggest reason is there are over 300 plus million daily active users on this platform. And that's a lot of people. And number two, in my opinion, Twitter is still the best social media platform to have one-on-one conversation. On Facebook, to talk to someone, you have to send them a friend request first. But on Twitter, you can send a tweet to anyone out there. And then number three, there are a lot of people who talk about their business issues and problems on Twitter. You can find them and engage with them. And number four, this is my favorite. There are some advanced search options on Twitter that you can use to find relevant people, prospects, and leads for your business. Let's look at some examples. Look at this tweet from Sam. He said, "We need a logo design done for our new brand. Please help." Now imagine if you are a web designer, graphic designer, or logo designer, you can totally reach out to him and pitch your services. Very cool. Here is the second example, a tweet from Rachel. She said, "I need SEO WordPress help for my blog. Is there any way to get it optimized automatically? Help, blogger." And imagine if you know WordPress or SEO, you can reach out to Rachel and pitch your services. And here is the third example from Erica Ryan. "Praying to all the gods that these Facebook ads work." So she obviously placed some Facebook ads and she is not sure if they're gonna work or not. If you are a social media marketing consultant or if you know a thing or two about Facebook ads, she will be a good person to connect with on Twitter. And now let's look at my process that I use to find clients on Twitter. And it's actually a 6-step process. In step number 1, you find relevant conversations and tweets using your keywords and hashtags. And in step number 2, basically these are the hashtags that are relevant to my business, and this is what I use to search. Hashtag social media, and then Facebook ads, and social media automation. And in step number 3, I engage with people who are using these hashtags by replying or retweeting their tweets. And then in step number 4, if it makes sense, I offer to help. This helps in building authority and trust with the person. And then in step number 5, I pitch my services when it makes sense. And then step number 6, there are some automation tools, and I will do a demo of some in this course that you can use to save a lot of time when following this process. So what's next? Couple of things. First, I will do a demo of my process on Twitter, the way I use different search terms and use Twitter's advanced search options. And then I will share the automation tool that I use, and it actually sends me all the alerts for my key prospects and leads. And lastly, I have a downloadable resource for you. I compiled a list of Twitter search operators that I use to find key leads and prospects for my business. I will share that with you in this course, and you can totally use those examples for your own business and Twitter search.